sending money across the street or across the world. Let's unravel the straightforward process of wire transfers with Citibank. First up, online transfers. Log into your Citibank online account. Once you're in, navigate to the transfers section. Look for an option like wire transfer or send money. Click on that. Now, you'll need to fill out the wire transfer form. Accuracy is key here. You'll need the recipient's name, address, and bank name and address. Most importantly, you will need the recipient's bank's SWIFT code for international transfers or ABA routing number for domestic transfers and the recipient's account number. Triple check these details. Take a moment to note the fees associated with wire transfers. Citibank charges varying fees depending on whether it's domestic or international, and the amount you're sending. This will be displayed before you confirm the transaction. Also, be aware that the recipient's bank may also charge a receiving fee. Prefer a more personal touch? Head to your local Citibank branch. A Citibank employee will guide you through the process. Make sure you have all the recipient's information mentioned earlier readily available. Security is paramount. Citibank uses encryption and secure protocols to protect your information during online transfers. Keep your login credentials safe and be wary of phishing scams asking for your banking details. Review all the information you've entered, confirm the amount, and click submit or sign the form at the physical branch. After the transfer, keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. Wire transfers are usually processed within 15 business days, depending on where you are sending the money. And there you have it, a simple and secure way to send money via wire transfer with Citibank.